Hi, Dan, for your diary. Back in February or March, I bought myself a really nice birthday present. I've been looking for a cafe racer style e-bike, something that was sort of e-bike, but a little bit on the moped side. And Ride1Up had just come out with the Rev 1. So I bought one. I bought the full suspension version and I love it. It is fast, it is comfortable, it was a good value. I love the bike, I've been riding it ever since. So when Ride1Up offered me the opportunity to review their latest bike, I jumped at the opportunity. It's not the Rev 2 that I'm hoping they'll come out with. I can't wait to see what those enhancements are. This is more a traditional folding e-bike, but I'm excited because I really like the company. So we're gonna take a closer look at it in a little while, but right now, let's cut the box open, let's see what's inside, let's put it together, and then we're gonna talk about what this brand new Ride1Up e-bike is all about. Trick I learned from another reviewer is to do this, to cut the box open this way. It does two things. Number one, it means I don't have to lift the bike out of its box when it's still packaged, but it also gives me a nice surface to build the bike on. Let's keep going. So this is a really nice surprise. This bike is shipped almost fully assembled. With the Rev 1, I had to put the front tire on, the pedals on. The pedals already on here. The seat's already in place. Everything is together except for the handlebars. It just comes folded. How convenient is that? So I got it out of the box, and now you can see the brand new Ride1Up Portola. This is a folding e-bike. It has a pretty good price. We'll talk about that more in a second. And it ships almost entirely assembled. The battery's in place, the pedals are on, the front wheel is on. I'm super impressed. All I have to do now is put the handlebars on and this bike is gonna be ready for its first ride. How amazing is that? Oh, before we go to there, what do you get in the package? What do you get in the box? You get a toolkit. Love that the bike companies all include all the tools you need. In this case, it's just a whole bunch of Allen wrenches in a nice kit. You get a Ride1Up beanie. They included one in the Rev 1 also. I'm not quite sure, it's a little bit random, but okay. You get an instruction manual, you get some maintenance grease, and of course you get the charger. In this case, it's a 2-amp charger, so it's not gonna charge super fast, but it's fine. It'll do the job, right? It'll do the job. So, let's take a look at what happens when you put the handlebars on. Brand new Ride1Up Portola. It's a really lovely foldable bike. Folds up really nicely. I love the color, I love the look. But let's talk about the specs, shall we? And then take it for a ride.